So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to link your email to track packages here on PayPal. So once PayPal is opened up on the home screen here, go to the top left and press on the three horizontal lines. Then once you guys are here under Shop and Save where it says Package Tracking, go ahead and press on that. Then once you guys are here, you can go ahead and link your email to track your packages automatically. So you can either use a Gmail by pressing on link Gmail. You can also use Outlook by pressing on link Outlook. And if you go to the top right with the three little bars right here, you can go ahead and actually add a package or adjust the package tracking settings. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to link your email to track packages here on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.